If you were looking for a video that consisted a bunch of people that had no plan and no idea what they were doing and about to make a tremendous mistake, you clicked on the right one. This right here is a pearl mystery bag. We offer these on DipYourCar.com maybe once a year, and it allows you to get highly discounted pearls, 10 of them, randomized in a bag for a project. A lot of people get very excited about this because you never know what you're going to get. We decided to grab one of these pearl mystery bags and use it for a video. And the idea that we came up with, reluctantly, is to mix together every pearl in this mystery bag and use it on a car. This might be the worst decision we've ever made. Right here is our M3. It's got a black Plasti Dip base on it. First things first, I'm going to walk you through the 10 pearls that are in this mystery bag. We have not looked, which scares me. This was all Gabe's idea. It was not Gabe's idea. He's been pushing back against this for many, many days. I can already tell this is going to be a problem. Oh my God. Okay. Royale with cheese. Europa color shift. RL71. GD10 alien pearl. The worst pearl of all time. Team orange. Yellow submarine. Real red. Sandstone OEM. Mystery black dark gray pearl. And finally, Terra Orange OEM. I haven't even seen some of these. Okay, so I hope you guys are willing to hang out with for a little while because I want to show you each pearl, and the plan is this. We're going to start with glossy top coat. We are not committing to using all of every pearl. We are going to just commit to using every pearl, meaning I reserve the right to use as little or as much of each pearl as we want to. And hopefully that gives us some level of control, but every one of these pearls has to be in the mix. Where do we even start? Do we pick the ones that we think may play a good role and use more of that and then dust in the other? Like, what is this even going to be? Right off the bat, let's start here. Okay, let's build some kind of structure around this. Real red, Terra orange, team orange, Royale with cheese, yellow submarine. This could be a color, right? Everything else makes no sense. So why don't we start with these and work with, now, pigment load, I mean, what? We can't use that much of each because we're going to have like a 200 gram per gallon load. So what do? Just put... This is going to be the most scientific video of all time. All right, I've got a spoon. All right, that's what we're starting with. Let me show you each pearl. Let's just take it little by little here. Here's real red. Beautiful color. Kind of a deep red with a, like, what would you say, like an orange flare in the direct sun?
Very mild orange.
Very mild orange. So 1 spoonful of pearl is how many grams per gallon roughly? Or how many grams?
Probably
10?
like 10.
Okay, so here's 10 grams of real red. We'll put that aside. Terra orange. Dude, I'm going to run out of fingers trying to show them these pearls. Terra orange is like a deep bronzy something. It is a beautiful, we've never used this on a full car, I don't think. Just pop another 10-ish, full spoonful.
That's a pretty big spoonful.
Too much?
Maybe.
Shake a little off. All right, Terra orange going in. Next is team orange. So the first 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever play nicely together, maybe. Team orange, like more of a traditional orange pearlescent, very metallic. This one we can go pretty heavy on, right?
Yeah, it's a good spoonful.
Here's another question. Do we ever at any point mix and then add, mix and add? Or do we just keep adding?
That is unknown to me.
Oh God, dude. It's not too late to back out and do something completely different this week. Okay, Royale with cheese. This pearl, if I'm correct, has been discontinued for like 2 years. But it's like the only pearl we have in this like mustardy, dark yellow color.
Like a cheddar.
It's a cheddar, dude, exactly. It's the only cheddar pearl we have. All right, Royale with cheese going in. Maybe we do a mix after all of the ones that make sense, see where we're at, and then add the others in, because a bunch of them are interference. I don't even know what that's gonna do. Yellow submarine, super metallic, like very metallic, high sheen yellow. All right, so this one's going in, and then we're gonna mix. We're gonna see where we're at. Okay. This is crazy. See what we got. What's your guess? I mean, we should have some kind of like a sunset reddish orange cocktail. Hopefully, yeah, it is actually pretty nice. Hopefully nothing too brown, which then plays into the brownish, blackish pearls we have coming up. All right, everything seems to be playing nice together right now. I think the real red is taking a little extra time to get acclimated. We should really just stop here, but it's not what we said we were gonna do. So here's where we're at now. It's like a burnt, like Gabe said, like a burnt bronzish orange something. I think pigment load we're okay right now. It doesn't seem too overloaded, too packed. Okay, so sandstone OEM. This is where things start going off the rails. What does this even look like? Oh, dude, it's like a really metallic brown. It's not like a dark, muddy brown like I thought. That's actually gorgeous. Dude, we need to do a video in that. All right, sandstone, half, quarter, like a little bit of this, a little too much, a little boom. All right, that's not gonna ruin it. Sandstone's not gonna ruin it. This is what I'm afraid of. This is a mystery gray black. Yeah, that's dark, dude.
Mystery in a mystery.
Yeah, this is what's going to cause us problems. So this one, I'm just going to watch. I'm just going to take a little of this, do a little of this. Good. Good. Now we're at interference. This isn't going to ruin anything. This is just going to add sparkle, right?
Sparkle or some other effect when the light hits it.
Oh, it's everywhere. GD10. Boom. We're in. RL71. Boom. We're in. Oh my God.
We've never used Europa.
I don't even know what this is. Oh, let me show. Europa is this, whatever this is.
Greenish
type of
shaft.
Almost. I'm gonna go a little heavier on the Europa. It's our last pearl. Boom. Okay, that's all 10. All 10 are in. Please don't get dark and muddy. I mean, glittery and sparkly. I don't think we're in the brown mud territory yet.
I feel like we're more at like the caramel stage.
We're in a caramel. Okay, I'm starting to see the interference pearls fight back a little bit. There's like bluish purple glitter in the worst places. This is what we're looking at right now. Okay. I mean, they're all in there. We did it technically, right? Now we got to see what it looks like on the car. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, anyone who's been around this channel and knows these products understands what kind of risks we were taking with a project like this. A couple huge things could go wrong right off the bat. First of all, when you mix all these different types of colors together, it could just look terrible. Now, we're never really afraid of that. That just kind of comes with the territory, but it's always a possibility. The second thing, and the more important thing, is all these different pearls that are different sizes and different materials may just not get along. And when that happens, the entire car is just a mess. There's cloudiness and pixelation and just issues everywhere, and that would be a shame. Luckily, I personally think neither of those things happened. The pearls all got along surprisingly well, even though we used 10 of them. And the color, well, that's for you guys to really decide. I don't hate it. It's unique. I'm going to take it outside right now for you guys to check it out. Do me a favor. Leave a comment below after you get a good look at it. Rate this color 1 through 5. You know I try to read all the comments. I can't wait to see what you guys think of this one. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have all of our kits there in one spot, everything to help you dip your emblems, your wheels, and your whole car. And if you like videos like this, we don't do this many mad scientist stuff anymore. If you like stuff like this, leave a comment and let me know so we can do more of them. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one.